Hey guys, I am getting my nursery ready and I was gonna take a look at the Owlet. We've had it for, I don't know how long, like a month probably. So I thought I would do an unboxing and just take a look at it. So excited we got this. So it's an Owlet Smart Sock 2. It tracks your baby's heart rate and oxygen levels from 0 to 18 months. So it says it's wireless up to 100 feet on a rechargeable battery. And what's included in the box is the sock electronic, which is the monitoring device, the base station, the notifying device, 3 different sock sizes 1, 2, and 3. It says up all night so you don't have to be. What a nice tagline that is. So it's a nice magnetic. You have the base station. Oh, what a cute little sock. And then this comes out, and underneath has the setup instructions, and the other 2 socks are here, and it says 70% of unnecessary notifications are prevented by correct sock fit. AC adapter, cable. Oh, it says that's from Provo, Utah. Another cord. And that's it. That's all that's in the box. The box kind of reminds me of the Ollie swaddle. I can't bring myself to throw this away. It's so cute. It's magnetic and like cardboard too. Owlet Rest Assured instructions. Owlet Rest Assured quick reference. And then warranties and disclosures, which go into my warranty and disclosure drawer. I'll take this sock off of this. Step 1, plug the sock electronics into the base station using the micro USB. So this is the micro USB. Oh, I guess the sock electronic is in here. So you'll see there's a little place to plug that in. And then you plug the other one. Oh, there's a little pull thing to take off, and it says plug the other one in here. So that is step 1. Step 2 is plug the base station into an electrical socket, USB power cable, and the USB power block. So that fits in there, and then that goes into the base station. Like, yeah. And then I will plug this up to charge it. Just plugged it in, it turned blue and then white. Oh, here it is. There's a base station color reference. White static light means it is plugged in and charging, so that's what it's doing right now. Step 3, download the Owlet app to set up the Owlet Smart Sock and base station. It says download the Owlet app, and there's 2. Owlet Baby Care and Owlet Connected Care. Step 4, rest assured with Owlet's help to watch over your baby. Use the base station as the primary notification system and the app as your secondary. So we're gonna go to the quick reference guide now. It says that it uses 2 sensors to track your baby's readings. The sock sensor reads your baby's heart rate and oxygen levels. In the sock window, so once the sensor's in there, there's these sock windows, and you want to make sure the sensors are centered in those windows. The sock can go on either the left or the right foot. Guys, I don't think this is very clear. I mean, I may be missing something here. So I pulled up the app, and it says sign in, and it says buy now. I mean, I spent $300 on the sock. Oh, look at this. It's a Connected Care annual subscription of $60. So not only do you have to pay $300 for the sock, but you have to pay $60 a year. Where on the box does it say that? It's nowhere on the box. It says you have to get a $60 a year subscription. So that's the Connected Care Owlet. Where's the other Owlet app I downloaded? Okay, so I have the Owlet, and it says join Owlet. Set up my device. There we go. So they want your email and for you to set up a password. Put in your name, last name, phone number, and then you create an account. You will receive an email confirmation link, which I did. There's a weird code. Okay, so I got an email, says to confirm it. Click on this link. I have successfully confirmed my email and allow for notifications. It says connect your phone to Wi-Fi. Have your Wi-Fi password handy. Be close to your router. Be near a power outlet. Plug the sock into the base station. Done. Use the plug in the back of the blade. You may either, okay, that's done. Plugged in. Plug the station into the wall. Done. Your base station is blinking white. It will change to solid white once sock pairing is complete. Okay, solid white. If your base station starts to sound, simply press the top of the base station to turn it off, then press the next button and select Owlet Wi-Fi and wait to be brought back. Connection complete. So it says it's connecting, and then there's something on the bottom that says Wi-Fi and it's green, and then there's another area that says sock and that's also green. It says, whoa, not so hasty. If the Wi-Fi light is shining on your base station, then you can really skip this. And it says really skip. So I'm going to press really skip. Register base station. There's a small button on the bottom of the base station. Press this button once. So it's this one right here in the middle. It says tap register to confirm. Register. Great job. It's now registered. Next, they want my child information. Put my baby hasn't been born yet. And then I'll put in the due date. June 10th. It wants to know the last day of my menstrual cycle. I did IVF. Oh, it says in vitro fertilization, ? Yes. It wants my name. It wants my birth date. It feels like a lot of information I'm giving these people. If I had previous miscarriages, stillborn, SID. It says, let's do the rest later. Because your baby hasn't been born yet, Owlet will prompt you to fill out this information. It says, now bring all items, the smart sock, the base station, the smartphone, into the same room where baby sleeps. Plug in the base station near but not in the reach of the baby's crib. Base station colors. It glows 5 different colors to signal you. Static white means it is plugged in and charging. Blinking green, it's looking for readings from your baby. Slow pulsing green, it's either receiving readings or sensing movement. Flashing blue, oh, we can test this. The smart sock is out of range or the signal's being blocked. Let me unplug this and see if we can test it. Flashing yellow, the smart sock has fallen off or is improperly placed. Flashing red, heart rate and oxygen levels are outside specified limits. So I guess you will get that alarm, which is great. Try it out. Press and hold the small button under the base station for 6 seconds to test and hear the red notification anytime you want. That's a frightening sound. Sock guide. Incorrect sock fit can lead to yellow or red notifications. To avoid these, pay attention to the following sock sizing guide. 70% of unnecessary notifications are prevented by correct sock fit. Got it right, people. They're labeled right here. So that says 3, 4 to 18 months. That says 2, 1 to 4 months. And that says 1, 0 to 1 month. So you don't want to cinch it too tight, it says. You don't want it too big. It's like Goldilocks. You want it just right. So they're just saying, like, sock fit is important, people. Incorrect use of the sock could result in red marks, pressure sores, or blisters on the baby's foot. And then you have to click I understand. Sock fit is crucial. Please watch this video as a reminder of a few key Owlet how-tos. I think I will watch this later, and we will click next. If you want to give access to your spouse or family, share the login information you just created to view readings on 2 devices. Simply download the app and log in using the same credentials as this app. Okay, now you're ready to go. If you have more questions, check out the help section or give them a call. And I think that's the setup. I think we're set up. It's a little confusing with the 2 Owlet apps, I feel like, in the App Store. They should have put that in the instructions that there were going to be 2. I still don't know what the subscription is. I'll have to look into that and see what that's about. I think the next step will be to set it up on my nightstand next to the bassinet in a couple weeks when we're closer to my due date. And I'll be sure to do another video after the baby's here and I've used it for a while of how I like the Owlet Smart Sock. You know, it says like rest assured, and I feel like this is a very reassuring smart device that it's just gonna make me feel better and help me to have like sounder sleeps at night. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.